bringing you a tried and tested method that uses events to make money. I made over $20,000 in December and over $12,000 in February for free using this. The primary mistake people make with print on demand is they start focusing on a particular niche. For this, the audience will have to be very connected with your brand to make the purchase, and building that takes time. So the main trick with this method is to focus on events. So the audience doesn't have to be connected with your brand, they will be connected with that event, and that is what will make us money. So firstly, I try to target top tier English speaking countries. So we can just search for what are the main events coming up over there. In the month of February, there was the Super Bowl, that is the American football, and I made a lot of money in February using this particular event. Then you can see that in the month of April, there is Coachella, that is the world's biggest music festival. Then if you scroll down, you can see the Independence Day of USA is coming on the 4th of July. So these are the events that we can target. After selecting the events, now I'm going to use the power of AI to create the designs for the different t-shirts, hoodies, caps we want to sell. Leonardo AI is a free AI tool that we are going to use that will make this process super simple of creating the designs. So just come to Leonardo AI, create your account, click over here on get early access, enter your email address, create your account, then search over here for app.leonardo.ai. Click over here and enter your email address, the account that you have created. So you will come on the working platform of Leonardo AI. Over here for free, you will get 150 tokens that you can use. That is more than enough for a lot of design work. Come over here on the AI image generator, and now over here we need to write that which kind of a design we are looking for. We need to explain the whole design. To get some different design ideas, I have just come on Google Super Bowl t-shirts, you can see, and you can see that what kind of t-shirts are there. Similar to that, you can just write a prompt over here on Leonardo AI that I want this kind of a design, and it will create the design. Like I got the idea that both of the teams' helmet against each other clashing like this, so I can create a design like that. So I just searched over here for one city's helmet. You don't have to touch any of these things, let it be at Leonardo Diffusion. Then click on generate over here. You can see all these designs over here. You can simply click over here on download. After that, you can use Canva to create and combine these designs. Click over here on create a design, click over here on t-shirt, and you can see this is a sample I created for you. So both of the helmets, both of the teams clashing against each other. You can also go over here on text and write a text like who are you supporting, who will win, world's biggest clash, things like that you can write, and this is your design prepared. Super simple using AI. After that, we need to use a print on demand website. These websites will create your online store, they will create the product, ship the product, collect the payment, all those different things. All you need to do is upload the designs. So there are plenty of print on demand websites that you can use. I personally use Teespring. So come over here, create your account, click over here on start creating, then come over here, click over here on create. You can select a t-shirt from over here, click on create. Over here, add your image, the design that you have prepared. You can change the color of the t-shirt as well, add text as well wherever you want. The pricing, you can see that per t-shirt sold, you will get the profit of around $10. You are not creating the product, collecting the payment, nothing you are doing, just uploading the design over here. Click on continue. You can see that you can create other designs as well, other products as well. Just click, and all these things, all these designs will be added to your online store. So a mug over here, hoodies, caps, all the things with your design that you prepared. Click over here on continue. Along with this, if you want to learn my step-by-step blueprint of how I am making 7 figures monthly as a 23-year-old boy, I provide personal training as well. So you can check out my website from the first link in the description box. It is the most detailed and step-by-step training, WhatsApp support, live sessions, hand-holding support is provided personally by me. So make sure to check out my website from the link in the description box. Now back to the video. You can write the title of these designs according to the event: Super Bowl special designs, Coachella special designs, Coachella madness, things like that. Description: 2 lines about the event that XYZ are clashing. This is going to be the world's biggest clash. So simple thing you have to write. This way, Teespring will create an online e-commerce store for you for free, like Amazon or any other e-commerce store. So people just have to go over there, select the product, do the payment, all those things. So you can just click over here on store, and this is your online website link that you need to start promoting. For getting traffic, I start working on one event at least 2 to 3 months before that date of the event, so that I can build my content, I can build my traffic, and people can get hype. The work is super simple. All you need to do is replicate what is already viral. So just come on YouTube, search for your particular event. You will find different videos over here. Go to the shorts and you can see that 4 million views, 4 million views. If I scroll back, you can see 33 million views. So just replicate what is already viral. So just click over here on this video, click over here on share, copy the link, go to a YouTube video downloader and download this video. Then come back to Canva, search over here for YouTube Shorts. Click over here, upload that video over here, and now we need to do a few edits to be safe from the copyright issues. What I do is, firstly combine a few videos together. This is the main video that is getting viral. So this is our main video. Along with that, you can use this video and this video for, let's say, 5 seconds in the middle. This way, we have combined different videos together. Or what you can do is place different memes in the middle.
Okay.
Just like I did over here. So this way we have combined a few videos. Secondly, you can add some text like the world's greatest NFL play, the world's best music event, things like that according to your event, according to the video. You can add text. Along with that, click over here on the plus icon, and over here you can add your call to action, that is your product. So you can upload a t-shirt design over here and add a text like to purchase the product, link in the description box, to support your fan, link in the description box, to support your music artist, to support your NFL team, link in the description box, buy now. So this is how you can combine a few videos together, add a text, add a call to action, and you will be safe from copyright. Once you have done this, click over here on share and download this video. This video I upload on my TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I upload the same video on all these platforms using the same titles from the viral video, and upload at least 2 videos per day for at least 2 to 3 months before the event date, and this strategy works. Check out another working strategy to make money online that is making me thousands of dollars per week for free.